That was then Lieutenant Colonel Ulsano, Mr. Chair.
Lieutenant Colonel
Ulsano.
Luzano?
Ulsano po.
Ulsano? Anong klase yung Ulsano? Active ba ngayon yung Ulsano?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Active pa? Saan naka-assign?
No
As far
idea
as you
po
know.
kung saan, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the PNP to facilitate the present assignment of Light Colonel Olsano and to be invited in the next hearing? Kasi ito po yung Chief of Police nung nangyari yung Mayor Halili killing. Now, hindi ka man lang, Captain Albotra, hindi ka man lang nagtaka na you were assigned, you were relieved in Cebu. Prior to your relief, ano ba yung position mo dun sa Cebu?
Station Commander, Mr. Chair.
Station Commander of what?
Station 1.
Station 1. That's 2018.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gaano ka katagal doon na Station 1 Commander?
I think only 2 months, Mr. Chair, before po na-issuehan ng order, Mr. Chair.
So, 2 months ka lang na Station 1 Commander, then nirelieve ka, and then assigned to Calamba, ganun? Then, kinansila ulit, binalik ka na naman sa Cebu?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Yun po ang nangyari, Mr. Chair.
O prior to Station 1, anong assignment mo?
Sa Deputy Dumaguete Police Station po yata, Mr. Chair, sa Negros Oriental PPO, Mr. Chair.
Anong posisyon mo doon sa Negros Oriental?
Deputy Dumaguete Chief of Police, Mr. Chair.
Dumaguete City mismo?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Your rank the time is Lieutenant o Kapitana?
Major po, Mr. Chair.
Major. Okay. So, deputy ka ng Dumaguete. Anong buwan yon ng 2018?
Di ko po siguro mga ano po yung Mr. Chair, mga February, January, mga ganun, Mr. Chair. December, January, February.
So from Dumaguete,
tama.
From Dumaguete, binalik ka, dahil Region 7 yung Dumaguete, di ba? Binalik ka sa region, then you were assigned as Station 1 Commander of Cebu City.
From Dumaguete, Mr. Chair, assigned po ako sa Station 1 of Cebu City.
Station 1 nga?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
As the commander of the station?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gaano ka katagal sa Dumaguete?
Madali lang po, Mr. Chair.
Madali ulit? Mga ilang buwan lang?
Mga 4 months siguro, Mr. Chair.
Naku, bakit yung assignment mo? Tingnan mo tingnan mo ang assignment mo, parang pinadala ka lang doon, tapos may gagawin ka, then ililipat ka na, i-relieve ka, balik ka Station 1, 2 months ka Station 1, tatapon ka ulit sa Calamba, matter of days, pinakansila, binalik ka ulit sa Cebu.
Yung sa Negros po, Mr. Chair, yung Dumaguete is, galing po ako ng Deputy Investigation, napunta akong Dumaguete, tapos nag-schooling po ako ng Investigation Officers Basic Course, Mr. Chair.
6 months.
Parang hindi naman umabot, Mr. Chair.
Pero the time, saan ang assignment mo?
Sa Dumaguete, Mr. Chair.
Sa Dumaguete?
Yes,
after your schooling?
Ayun, sa Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Andali. So, naunang schooling, o nahuling schooling before assignment in Station 1?
Nauna po, Mr. Chair.
Nauna. So, after Dumaguete, as deputy ng Dumaguete Police Station, Police Office, nag-schooling ka?
Nung schooling po ako, Mr. Chair, doon pa po yung unit ko sa Dumaguete.
O nga, pero nag-schooling ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi 4 months?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Gano'n.
Pero yung regular duty mo, 4 months lang. Tapos sa schooling ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O tapos, 4 months, then you assigned sa Station 1. After 2 months, you were assigned again sa Calamba. Sa Calamba, then after few days, binalik ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganito po, matanong kita, bago ko balikan yung yung kay Ma'am Garma. So, nung sa Dumaguete ka, that was 2018, your rank is major.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Ba't ka na-demote? Anong kaso mo?
na-cancel po yung promotion order ko po nung Major, Mr. Chair, kasi po parang may problema po doon sa eligibility ko po, Mr. Chair.
May problema sa eligibility mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yun lang, wala kang kaso.
Wala po, Mr. Chair. Wala, hindi po yung demotion but cancellation po, Mr. Chair, ng order.
So from 2018, supposedly, major ka na because of that eligibility problem, hindi ka na-promote until now.
Mr. Chair, supposed to be magpapapromote na po sana ako ng Lieutenant Colonel but
When
doon
was that? Paano ka ma-promote ng Lieutenant Colonel na nakansila nga yung pagka-major mo from captain? Pwede ba yun?
yun po yung dahilan, Mr. Chair, kasi saka lang po nila nalaman nung naghalungkat po ng order, Mr. Chair. Kaya nung nalaman nila na yun po na cancel po yung last promotion order ko po.
Okay. So you were already promoted as major.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Kinancel because when you apply for promotion for light colonel, doon nakita
Yes, Mr.
na
Chair.
may problema kasi eligibility mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, when was that?
Bago lang po, Mr. Chair. I think 2 months ago, Mr. Chair.
2 months ago.
Yes,
So
Mr.
balik kapitan ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the DPRM to submit also the service record, and that includes the promotion and the cancellation of the reason for the cancellation of the promotion of Captain Albotra.
Mr. Chair,
Please.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
I'll just ask one clarificatory question. Ano yung sinasabi mong eligibility na wala ka kaya hindi ka na-promote?
Mr. Chair, yung ginamit ko po noon na eligibility was only police inspector and sabi po ng DPRM nung time na nagpapapromote ako is hindi na po daw valid yun, Mr. Chair.
Napolcom, can you say something about that? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?
Your Honor, hindi po ganun eh. Matagal nang na-establish namin na merong police eligibility para sa third class, fourth class, third class, second class, saka first class. Matagal na pong establish yun. Gusto din namin malaman sa DPRM kung nagkaroon siya ng misrepresentation, kaya siya natanggal. Hindi na po bago yung eligibility. Dapat alam na niya yun. Your Honor, baka ho sa CIDG meron po silang impormasyon.
Mr. Chair, gusto yata magsalita ni Gerald Torre.
Yes, General Torre, you may. Mr. Chair, can I volunteer some information because we conducted an investigation regarding Mr. Albotra. The reason why his promotion was cancelled is he used an inspector eligibility when he got promoted to chief inspector, up to the inspector eligibility for major. And then when he applied for promotion to lieutenant colonel, it was found out that he is not even eligible for major. So he was demoted to captain. The most proximate reason is that until 1992, that inspector eligibility is valid for up to chief inspector and superintendent. And then after that, because during the time the exams were given for inspector, senior inspector, chief inspector, and superintendent, senior superintendent. After 1992, NAPOLCOM changed the ruling that the inspector exam taken after that date is valid until superintendent. So, dun most probably ang naging oversight nung unang promotion sa major, kaya siya nakalusot sa major, even using that inspector exam dahil siya ay 2006, sir, invalid na yun. Hanggang 1992 lang, sir.
Mr. Chair, may I continue?
That's Mr. Presentation, sir, definitely.
May I continue my questioning,
Please
Mr.
proceed.
Chair, please? Colonel Garma, itong si Captain Albotra was assigned in Region 7, correct?
Relax.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he
Mr.
was
Chair.
only assigned briefly.
Sa Region 7, sir?
Yes.
Medyo matagal na po yan sa Region 7 siya, Mr.
But you
Chair.
have known him for quite some time.
No, Mr. Chair, I only known him nung pong nag-courtesy call siya sa akin, tapos na-assign na siya sa Cebu City. Doon ko lang po siya nakilala.
Okay. Captain Botra,
Hindi mo time.
na-assign ka sa with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano, please. Ha? Ako po yung humihingi ng tawad sa iyo. Gusto ko lang ituloy ito eh. Captain Albotra, you were assigned in Region 7, am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Where in Region 7?
Cebu City po, Mr. Chair.
What was your position in Region 7?
I've been the Station 1, Station 6.
You have are you a Cebuano? No, you're not.
I am from Southern Leyte, Mr. Chair.
From where?
Southern Leyte, Mr. Chair.
Southern Leyte.
Yes po.
You have a brother, am I right? Meron kang kapatid na lalaki, correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Involved sa drugs, am I right? Now, do not lie, you're under oath. You just tell us now. Meron kang kapatid na lalaki involved sa drugs, am I right?
Wala po akong kapatid na lalaki na involved sa drugs, Mr. Chair.
Wala. Are you sure? Sigurado ka? Because we're gonna find out. We are going to find out. Kung
Wala pa akong-
sinungaling ka ngayon, I will cite you in contempt right now.
Wala pa akong kapatid, Mr. Chair, na involved sa drugs.
Are you sure? Because we're gonna find out.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, ang rinig ko, magaling ka sa baril eh. Magaling ka sa baril. Alam nyo, Captain, bilib ako sa magaling bumaril. Alam nyo, lahat ng mga pelikula sa Netflix na sniper, napanood ko. Yung isang araw kamukha mo eh. Oo, totoo yun. Mukha kang artista eh. Bilib ako sa marunong humawak ng baril. Totoo yan, di ba? O, di ba bilib ka rin marunong humawak ng baril? Bilib ka rin doon, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O, itong si Eugene Calumbar. Kilala mo, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kaibigan mo yon, am I right?
Naging kasama ko po yun, Mr. Chair.
Mahusay kumawak ng baril to eh. Tama, mali. Mahusay itong humawak ng baril. Oh, gusto mo, meron akong firing range. Sama kita, saka si Eugene. May mga baril ako doon. Subukan natin kung marunong kang bumaril. PNPA ka eh. Ikaw ba ay marunong bumaril o hindi?
Marunong po, Mr. Chair.
Yung pala naman eh. Okay, meron kang kaibigan si Eugene, ba't di mo sabihin sa amin marunong bumaril to? Nag-isinungaling ka eh. We're gonna find out here. Yung mga tanong namin sa'yo, we're gonna find out. Dito po, meron kaming paraan para i-find out kung nagsasabi ka ng totoo o hindi. Itong si Colonel Garma, mas naniniwala ako dito ngayon. Ikaw, ngayon ka lang. Naiinis na ako sa iyo eh. Totoo yun. Para na akong si Batoy, naiinis na ako sa iyo eh. Okay.
Mr. Chairman, before we yield back kay Congressman Paduano, Captain Albotra, tell us, ba't kami maniniwala sa iyo? Yun ang eligibility mo eh, para ma-promote ka eh. You deceive eh. Nagkaroon ka na ng deception eh. Di ba? Doon pa lamang sa promotion mo, meron ka nang ginawang panloloko. So much more dito sa ginagawa mo. Sinabi ni GM Garma na malaki ka, nakasama ka sa team na tumira kay Antonio Halili. Now, ngayon, sino paniniwalaan namin? Ikaw o si GM Garma? Now, tinatanong ka kung meron kang kapatid na na-involve sa drug pushing. Di ba? Nag-deny ka na naman. So, what else? Ang mga pagsisinungaling na gagawin mo sa kongresong ito, we are allowing you, to answer back to us, but we are very lenient sa iyo. Pero, alam mo, may hangganan yan, Captain Albotra. Huwag mong pilitin na i-cite ka namin in contempt. You cooperate. At kung hindi naman ikaw ang pumatay at kasama ka lamang sa team ng mga pumatay, you cooperate with us because this is your chance. We will never give you another chance. Believe us. Kaya, Captain Albotra, tama na. Yung nalipat ka sa Dumaguete, ilang buwan. Nalipat ka sa Cebu, ilang buwan. Nalipat ka sa Calamba, ilang buwan. May pattern na eh. Ginagamit ka. Ginagamit ka para sa intel work ng Drug Enforcement Unit. Doon ka na-assign lagi eh. Ikaw nagmo-monitor. At pag natapos sa trabaho mo, aalis ka na or kaya andun ka, iba ang papatay. Huwag mo na kaming bulahin dito. Alam namin, yun ang trabaho mo. Kaya palipat-lipat ka.
Mr. Chair, isang question lang po, Mr. Chair. Sino ang kamag-anak mo na involved sa drugs? Kung hindi kapatid mo? Sino?
Mr. Chair, meron po akong tiyuhin, Mr. Chair.
Ayun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meron kang tiyuhin na involved sa drugs. Correct?
Na-involve po, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Ito yung sabi
Okay.
totoo.
So we will now give the floor back to Congressman Paduano, and let me reiterate that after Congressman Paduano, it is now the turn of Congressman Lordan Suwan and then Congressman Keith Flores. Congressman Paduano, you have 2 more minutes. Please proceed.
Matapos nagkamali ka sa ruling mo. Bigyan mo ko ng 2 minutes siya. Anyway, ganito po, Captain Albotra. You mentioned about the 2 police officers you brought in Calamba. The same assignment kayo?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
DEO din?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The same din ang pag-relieve nyo?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
What's the reason of your relief? What's the reason of your relief?
Mr. Chair, siguro po si Sir
Sino?
Pitalio. Sir Pitalio po ang makasagot, Mr.
Oh.
Chair.
Colonel Pitalio, what's the reason of the relief?
Your Honor, I have to...
Kasi sinasabi ko na sa iyo, ikaw, Colonel,
Yes, sir.
ayusin mo ang pagsagot, huwag kang tatawa-tawa.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ilang araw lang si Don tapos pinarelieve. Oh, what's the reason of that relief? You check again the record?
Hindi ko po alam, sir eh.
Ba't hindi mo
Kasi
alam?
Di po ako, sir, ang R1 nun, sir eh.
Oh, you're the provincial director, di ba?
Wala pa,
Provincial commander at the time?
Wala pa, sir, wala pa.
Oh, ba't tinuturo mo si RD Pitalio? Sinungaling ka.
Mr. Chair, if I may, Mr. Chair.
Oh,
My chief of police before, Mr. Chair, Colonel Olsano, meron po silang
merong ano? Merong usapan?
meron po silang parang di pagkakaintindihan ni Sir Pitalio that time, Mr. Chair.
Oh, when was that? During the time, sandali po, Captain Albutra, during the time, Colonel Pitalio, where were you assigned that time?
Your Honor, ako po siya ng R2 nung araw, sir.
Sorry?
Regional Intelligence po ng...
Ikaw,
Yes,
R2.
sir. Then, sir, at that time, sinasabi niya, sir, si Colonel Olsano, ayan po ang chief of police ng Calamba.
Oh, ngayon, may problema kayo, sabi ni Alba.
Yun, sir, alam sir, kung ako po siya, pinagbumura ko noon eh.
Na?
Dahil sir, that time, sir, ayaw niyang masapawan, sir eh.
Sino ngayon sa pawan?
Yung Usano na yan, sir.
O so,
Yun na, sir, ang
that
sir.
caused the relief.
I know, sir, I have no idea, sir, about the relief, sir.
Oh, who caused the relief?
Hindi ko po alam, sir eh.
Hindi mo alam, nasa R1 ka.
Ano, sir? R2, sir.
R2.
Pero, sir, di ko po
Oh,
alam,
kahit
sir,
na. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi ko po alam, sir.
Oh, Captain Albutra, ito ngayon na kanina, yung statement from Ma'am Garma, dininay mo. Ito ngayon, you're pointing to Colonel Pitalio. Now, dininay niya. Wala siyang alam. O ikaw, ba't tinuturo mo kay si Colonel Pitalio?
Yun po ang alam ko, Mr. Chair.
Anong alam mo?
Meron po silang hindi pagkakaunawaan, Mr. Chair, na naging sanhi po ng relief, Mr. Chair.
Naging sanhi ng relief mo?
Marami po, Mr. Chair, ang na-relieve, Mr. Chair, at that time.
Hindi, pero ang question is,
Yes, Mr. Chair, sa akin po. Kasama na rin po ako, Mr. Chair.
in your case, ang tanong ko nga, bakit kayo na-relieve? Did you violate something? Or tapos na yung trabaho dun?
Mr. Chair,
Ikaw last na lang to, Albotra.
Mr. Chair,
May tatanong pa ako mamaya isa, last, ha? Last.
Mr. Chair, if you look at my affidavit, Mr. Chair,
No, I will not. Your affidavit, you're under oath. What you're telling now is under oath also.
yes, Mr. Chair, on the,
Now, ang tanong ko, again, last na tanong, what's the cause of your relief? Hindi nga alam ni Colonel Pitalio eh. Ikaw, bakit na-relieve ka na?
nung pinatawag po kami ni RD Caranza, Mr. Chair, that
Oh.
time, sinabi niya na po na marirelieve po kami, Mr. Chair. Yun po ang parang...
Hindi in-explain sa'yo ni RD Caranza?
Sinabi niya po, Mr. Chair, na yun po yung parang resulta po ng pagtatalo nila ni Sir Petalio, Mr. Chair, tsaka ni Sir Olsano.
Pagtatalo? Anong pakialam mo dun sa pagtatalo ng COP mo at saka ni Arto?
Yun po ang...
Unless may ginawa kayong operasyon o trabaho na binukulan nyo yung senior official nyo.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ba't gawin mong reason ngayon si Colonel Pitalio na na-relieve kayo dahil sa away ng COP mo tsaka ni Colonel Pitalio? Ba't kayo? Bakit hindi yung deputy? DEO pa naman assignment mo. May war on drugs. May double barrel. The time. Albotra.
Siguro po, Mr. Chair, si Brigadier General Ted Caranza po makasagot, Mr. Chair.
Eto na, pati si RD mo. Tinatanong nga kita Sige nga. Karamihan na na-relieve. Alam nila, ba't sila na-relieve?
Yun po ang alam ko, Mr. Chair. Yun po ang alam ko kung bakit kami...
Why of all those people or of all those police officers?
Kasama na rin po, Mr. Chair, si Sir Olsano, Mr. Chair. Yung...
Ni-relieve din kaagad?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Is it true, Arto, Colonel Pitalio? Nasabay sila ni-relieve?
I'll try to find out, sir. Di ko po maalala, sir. Kung ano, sir.
Pero natandaan mo na relieve siya.
Hindi ko po, sir.
Si Albotra.
Hindi ko, sir, matandaan yan, sir.
Ikaw, Pitalio.
Sir,
Ikaw.
Totoo, sir.
Kanina tinanong kita, kinote mo pa si Chairman Akop.
Kasi, sir,
Dahil sa problema ni Ulano.
Kasi,
Tapos
sir,
ngayon, hindi mo na naman alam.
because, Your Honor.
Sandali.
Yes, sir.
Patapusin mo muna ako.
Yes, sir.
Nagsisinungaling ka rin
No, sir.
alam mo ba yung reason why they were relieved or not?
Hindi ko po alam, sir. Because, sir, at the time, sir, galing ako siya ng Antipolo, sir. Then, ako siya naging R2. So, this one, sir, Ulsano was the Chief of Police of Calamba. Yun siya ang assuming doon at that time. So, when I became the R2, ayun, sir, nagagalit siya.
Pero may problema talaga kayo ni COP Ulano that time.
Actually, sir, wala, sir. Parang nagselos lang, sir. Ba't ako naging R2, sir? Yun lang, sir, ang ano. Pero,
Anong class ba si Ulano?
2000 yun, sir.
2097 ka, ang layo.
Yes, sir.
Junior mo siya.
Yes, sir.
Ba't siya magsiselos?
Hindi ko po alam, sir, baka sir seloso.
Hindi, presumption mo yun. Nagselos siya.
Di, sir, nagawa niya na May evidence siya. Nagmura siya na nagmura.
May evidence na?
May, sir, na binuli niya ako sa cellphone, sir. That was the time, sir. Yun, sir, ang yan ang totoo doon, sir. Pero yung sinasabi niya, na-relieve siya dahil sa away.
Underclass mo, binuri ka?
Yes, sir. Pero, okay lang yun, sir. Pero kasi sabi ko kay Sir Akop noon, sir, telepono lang naman, sir.
Anyway, wala.
Thank you, sir.
Later, or in the other next hearing, magkakaalaman din tayo dyan kasi, ito, Captain Albotra, yung record mo of now, wala pa sa amin yung official. Pero kung titingnan ko, palipat-lipat ka. Ano ka ba, taga Leyte?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Waray.
Bisaya, Mr. Chair.
Bisaya. Kakaintindihan tayo. Anyway. Hindi. So, assignment mo ngayon is still in Cebu, Region 7.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sa anong assignment mo, Region 7?
Bago lang po ako Nilipat, Mr. Chair, sa RPHAS. Galing po ako ng Lapu-Lapu City Police Office, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw ba yung chief of police sa Lapu-Lapu? Deputy?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Ano ka doon?
Wala pa po akong assignment doon, Mr. Chair. Tapos after nito, Mr. Chair, nung nabanggit po yung pangalan ko, nirelay po ako at nilagay po ako sa RPHAS, Mr. Chair.
Of course. That's the standard operating procedure of the PNP. Now, ang tanong, have you been assigned doon sa regional office? 7?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Anong assignment mo doon?
Ngayon po,
Regional
Mr.
office, ha?
Ngayon po, Mr. Chair, Regional Police Office po ako, Mr. Chair.
Previously, noong nakaraan,
Matagal na po, Mr. Chair. Na-assign po ako sa R2 rin, Mr. Chair, bilang
Sa?
IRS. Sa R2, Mr. Chair.
R2.
Opo.
When was that?
2012, 2013, Mr. Chair.
2012, 2013.
Opo.
So the time, anong position mo doon as R2?
IRS, Mr. Chair.
IRS. That was your first and last assignment sa region before,
Sa R2, Mr. Chair.
yun ang pinaka
Opo, Mr. Chair.
last mo, R2.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
So after that, hindi ka na na-assign sa regional office.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, you mentioned about, Ray Sulante. Tama?
Kilala ko po siya, Mr. Chair.
Paano mo nakilala si Sulante?
Mr. Chair, before po kasi, Mr. Chair,
Anong before? When was that?
2008, 9, mga ganong taon, Mr. Chair, 10 siguro. May mga pagkakataon po, Mr. Chair, na nag-joint operation po, Mr. Chair, at doon
Joint operation of what?
yung mga police operation, Mr.
Saan
Chair.
na-assign that time si Sulante?
Mr. Chair?
Saan na-assign si Sulante that time? Yung minimension mo, ha?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Ang alam ko, Mr. Chair, PIB, Mr. Chair.
Sa
PIB po.
PIB? What's
Opo.
PIB?
Provincial Intel Branch.
So, Provincial Intel Branch. Ikaw the time,
Sa R2, Mr. Chair.
R2 ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, tapos,
Doon ko lang po siya nakilala, Mr. Chair.
sabi mo kanina, 2013 ka pa pumasok sa R2, tapos ngayon, 2008 na sa R2 ka na.
Doon ko po siya nakilala, Mr. Chair.
And then, tanong ko ngayon, kanina sabi mo, that was the first time that you were assigned sa region, which is R2. Regional office ang pinag-usapan natin dito, ha? Sabi mo kanina, 2013. Ngayon you're mentioning about 2008. Doon mo nakilala si Sulante. Oh,
Mr. Chair, if I may.
sandali. You graduated 2006, di ba?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
First assignment mo where?
Sa...
RMG.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Sa Negros Oriental, Mr. Chair.
Ano sa Negros Oriental?
PPSC, PMG, Mr. Chair. Provincial Mobile Group.
Oh, Provincial Mobile Group. So you're assigned sa province.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Under sa province. Tapos inassign ka sa region.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yun na yung R2.
Hindi pa, Mr. Chair. Red Sot, Mr. Chair.
Sorry?
Red Sot.
Red Sot ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair. That was 2008, 2009.
Ang gulo mo kausap. Kanina, tinatanong kita, when was the first time you were assigned in the regional office? Sabi mo, 2013. R2. Ngayon, 2008 ka, inassign ka man na Red Sot.
Yun po ang una, Mr. Chair, Red Sot. Doon ko po nakilala yun si Sulante, Mr. Chair.
That time he was assigned doon sa province.
PIB, Mr. Chair.
Tapos,
Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
nung R2 ka,
Hindi ko na po siya nakita, Mr. Chair. Hindi na kami Mr. Chair, nagkasama, Mr. Chair, sa mga joint
hindi mo na siya
operations.
nakita.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka? Nung R2 ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Eh, si Sulante was assigned, parang hindi na yan umalis doon sa regional office.
During na nandun po ako, Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam kung saan siya assigned, Mr. Chair.
Pero hindi na kayo nagkikita?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Until when? Until when?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Mr. Chair. Kung
Hindi nga, kailan kayong last nagkita? Nagkasama?
matagal na po, Mr. Chair. May mga 2008, 9, 10 siguro, Mr. Chair.
2010.
Yes, Mr.
Sabihin
Chair.
natin 2010.
Opo.
Eh kung mga picture kami pakita na magkasama kayo sa range.
Di ko po maalala, Mr. Chair. Kung
Hindi mo rin alam ngayon kung saan si Sulante?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Ang alam ko po, Mr. Chair, nag-retire na po sa Mr. Chair.
Nag-retire nga. Alam namin nag-retire na. Oh, alam mo nga nag-retire na eh. Pero hindi mo alam kung saan siya ngayon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Hindi naman kami nagkasama ng unit niyan, Mr. Chair.
Totoo yun.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Tama ka. Hindi kayo nagkasama ng unit. Kasi laging ano kayo, special. Anyway, mamaya, may ipacheck lang ako. Mr. Chairman, doon na muna, may ipapacheck lang ako tapos para tanungin ko ulit si Captain Albutra. Kasi nagsisinungaling to eh. Hindi niya raw alam kung saan si Sulante. Alam nga ng lahat ng pulis sa Cebu kung saan si Sulante, tapos ikaw hindi mo alam? Eh, you're lying.
Hindi ko po talaga alam, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
Garma. When was the last time you know the location of of Sulante? Sinungaling ka.
Sir, based on my information, nandun lang siya sa Cebu City, dun sa bundok po.
Oh, nandun sa bundok. Siya ngayon yung caretaker doon kasi retired na. Ikaw, sinungaling ka.
If I may, Mr. Chair.
Eh, si Sulante, very popular name in Cebu.
Pero hindi ko po yan, Mr. Chair. Hindi po kami, wala, Mr. Chair. Hindi po kami nagkikita o hindi ko siya nakikita, Mr. Chair.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, that's all for now. Magkikita pa rin tayo. Captain Albutra.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. The next to interpolate our resource person is Congressman Lordan Suwan. You are now recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just a couple of very quick questions. Regarding the video that was shown by Chairman Dan Fernandez earlier, I saw that it was 8:45 p.m. when the van left. Was this also the time when Mayor Perez was killed? Does Mr. Tamisin know?
Your Honor, a few seconds after he was gunned down, that white van left the vicinity po, Your Honor.
So supposedly, the perpetrators were those who were inside or aboard the white van. Is that correct?
I assume, Your Honor.
Okay. Another question, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Why do you think Mr. Tamisin would Mayor Perez be assassinated? Was it because he went against, or did he ever go against the powers that be, or was it because he was included in the drug list?
The only thing that I know, Your Honor, is that he was included in the narco list. That's all, Your Honor.
And why, if what you're saying is true, then why would they try to pinpoint you as the murderer?
That's why I'm very confused, Your Honor. I really do not know why I was implicated in this case. I really don't know the rationale behind. Mayor Perez, he was my godfather. Maybe in my 12 years as a municipal councilor, we have differences in policies. But please, let me remind also, as a municipal councilor before, I was able to approve or authored at least 680 ordinances and resolutions. If Mayor Perez was really my enemy, personal enemy, he will not allow me to win. More so, he will not allow me to win as #1 from 2013 and 2016.
But
Yung aming pagtatalo po, Your Honor, ay kasama sa trabaho. As a matter of fact, if you will allow me, Your Honor, sabi nga ng kaibigan niyang isang fiskal, swerte ka, andyan ang inaanak mong si konsihal. At least nag-guide ka. Dahil yung mga mali, siya ang nagtatama sa'yo, kaya hindi na ipapasa yung mga batas na hindi tumutugma po sa GAAP, sa GAAS, at sa local government code, Your Honor.
But you ran against him for the position of mayor one time.
Opo, Your Honor. 4 po kami. As a matter of fact, ako pa nga po ang panghuli. At ako naman po'y walang pera. independent pa rin ulit. At pagkatapos nun po ay tinanggap ko, sa totoo lang po, pag birthday ko po ng June 17, pinapadala niya po ako ng pa-birthday. Pag December po, alam po yan ng kanyang pamilya at ng kanyang asawa. Pinapadalan din po ko dahil nga po ninong ko siya.
Okay, I was just wondering why you were the one who was, suspected of being the. So during the election, it was not a one-on-one. So it was not a close election.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ako po ay apat po kami. Kaya nga po, if I may, Your Honor, with your indulgence, kasi sinabi po ng ating hepe dati ni si Colonel Garduque, meron daw video. Ang tanong, bakit hindi sinama sa fiskal? Nabasa at napanood daw nila ang video. Hindi daw nakita ang pagkakilanlan. Kung hindi mo nakita, bakit sinasabi nung witness na hindi naman ako kilala at binase lang sa sketch na nakalagay doon, very good, pero hindi ko naman po kamukha yung tao. Ngayon, ang tanong ko po nga po, Your Honor, tatlo ang hinabla mo. Si Norvin Tamisin, si Glenn Arrieta na in charge sa CCTV na kaya hinabla dahil ipinaling daw ang CCTV na hindi totoo at isang gunman. Kung tatlo lang hinabla mo, pangatlo, yung sabi mo naglalakad na gunman, ako at si Glenn Arrieta, bakit di mo hinabla yung hindi ko naman kamukha? Di dapat apat ang hinabla mo.
What do you mean by hinabla?
Sila po kasi ang gumawa ang Task Force Perez po ang nagsampa ng kaso. Although pumirma po yung anak, pero sila po ang naggawa po ng reklamo o ng habla. So dapat pa lang, kanina nga po, dapat pa lang hindi mo na ako sinama dahil hindi naman ako yung nasa sketch. At kung ni-review mo, unang-una, kung ni-review mo talaga, wala ako sa area na sinasabi ng ginawa nilang habla. Wala naman ako sa vicinity, wala ako sa may gate, wala po ako sa may tapat ng 7-Eleven, at wala rin po ako sa whole area or vicinity ng munisipyo ng Los Baños. Nakita naman nila sa CCTV. Tapos contrary sa mga witnesses nila na nakita ko, paano po nangyari yun? Kaya nga sabi ko nga, alam ko namang hindi nagsisinungaling si Colonel Garduque, pero alam ko nalilito na siya sa katotohanan. Mahirap talaga akong magbulid ng kasinungalingan because you will become a pathological liar and you will never know when you're telling the truth or not because you thought what you're telling is the truth. In fact, it was all lies.
Okay. Now, what do you think is the reason why they would not release the video?
Because it's contrary dun po sa kanilang ginawang habla. Dahil nakalagay doon, nakita si Norvin Tamisin na andun, paglabas pa, kumaway pa daw ako doon sa van na pumatay, binaba ko yung mask ko, inalis ko pa yung face shield ko. Ngayon, pag sinama ho yung video, magka-contradict po yun.
Mapoprove yun na wala ka
Wala
doon.
ko doon. So inilabas lang yung video, nakita ko kumakalat sa Facebook, sa mga messenger, ba't ganun? Kaya nabigla ako, kaya nung lumabas sa korte, sa kanila inilabas. Dapat to kasama na yun sa pagpapail. Ang intention lang po nila, one, in my own opinion, Your Honor, ma-file ang case. Second, hanapan ng fall guy katulad ko at kung mahuli ako, itumba ako. Kaya dinala ako sa Batangas.
Mr. Chair, we would like to ask the witness just to directly answer the question.
Yes, Your Honor. Sorry.
Okay, so you were not in the video at all?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Suwan. Last to interpolate on our witness is Congressman Keith Flores. You are recognized. You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Just a few questions, Mr. Chair. Colonel Garma, you said that Captain Albotra mentioned the killing to you in a courtesy call in your office, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was at that time, were you the chief of police of Cebu City?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, when he made that courtesy visit to you, was it after his reassignment to Station 1 of Cebu City?
Was it after?
Was it when he was reassigned to Station 1?
During that time, wala pa po siyang assignment sa...
Wala pa.
I am deciding pa po kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Kasi
But he was
courtesy call.
returned to you back to you in Cebu City.
Yun ang understanding ko po nung sinabi din nila na galing na siya doon dati. Pero hindi ko na po pinansin yun, Mr. Chair.
All right. So after he mentioned that to you na sila nga yung may tumira kay Mayor Halili, it was you who assigned him to a station as chief of police.
Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Chair.
Now, in that station, did he perform well naman, si Captain Albutra?
Maayos naman, Mr.
Maayos
Chair.
naman. Wala naman kayong away.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
There was
Your
no
Honor.
miscommunication, misunderstanding between you and Captain Albutra.
Wala po.
He had no complaints against you also.
Wala din po.
Wala din. Okay. Now, Captain Albutra, in your affidavit, you repeatedly said that the allegations made by Colonel Garma are pure chismis, no? Made-up stories, correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Narinig naman po natin nung sinabi niya yun, Mr. Chair. May chismis po, Mr.
Ito ba
Chair.
yung first time na narinig mo na ikaw ay implicated in the murder of the Mayor Halili?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. First time.
When Colonel Garma mentioned it.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So that was the first time in your entire career that you heard such allegations?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, now, would Colonel Garma have any reason to implicate you, Captain Albutra?
At first, Mr. Chair, I can't think of any, Mr. Chair. Nagulat din po ako, Mr. Chair.
Nagulat. Now, why of all the police officers that she knows, bakit ikaw?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What is so special about Captain Albutra?
That's why I thought, Mr. Chair, na-confuse po si ma'am siguro, Mr. Chair.
Confused.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Baka lang na-confused.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi yung nabay po niya, Mr. Chair, chismis. Tapos ginago niya po, ako na po yung nagsabi, Mr. Chair.
Now, Colonel Garma, when Captain Albutra made that statements to you, was it clear to you na it was him bragging about what they did?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Siyang nag-volunteer. Kaya hindi ko talaga makakalimutan po. Kasi hindi ako updated nun kung sino yung mga namatay ng mga politicians. No? It was him who volunteered.
So you were surprised that all of a sudden someone would out of the blue say or claim to have participated in the killing of a mayor.
Yes po.
That's
Your
why it
Honor.
will always be memorable for you and it would be easy to recall such an event, correct?
Yes po.
Now, Captain Albutra said that he will file cases against you. That's what's mentioned in his affidavit because he's claiming that what you've said are pure lies. What is your comment to that?
And I gave my full support. Alam po niya yan.
So
Now,
you-
if he will sue me, I will face it. But I can look it straight in his eyes. I am not lying and he is lying and he is coward to mention names na alam niya kung sino talagang tumira kay Mayor Halili. He knows it. Konsensya na lang po niya yan, Mr. Chair and Your Honor.
Captain Albutra, Colonel Garma says that she took care of you, no? Nilagaan ka, pinotektahan ka.
Totoo po
And
yan, Mr. Chair.
now, ikaw pa yung may lakas ng loob daw na mag-file ng kaso against
Mr.
Colonel
Chair,
Garma.
grabe po yung Mr. Chair, grabe po yung impact nung binanggit niya po yung pangalan ko, Mr. Chair. Grabe po talaga, Mr. Chair. Hindi ako nakatulog ng mga ilang araw. Hanggang ngayon, Mr. Chair, hindi pa po ako nakatulog ng kompleto. Pero kaya ko namang Mr. Chair, kalimutan, Mr. Chair, yung sinabi ni Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
So hindi ka nakatulog because sinabi ni Garma na you were involved. But nakatulog ka na sinabi mo kay Garma na pinatay niyo yung tao. Okay lang sa iyo. Hindi na konsensya doon.
Again, Mr. Chair, wala po talaga akong maalala na nagsabi ako ng ganyan kay Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
So walang naalala doesn't mean that hindi mo ginawa.
Hindi ko po ginawa yun, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. That's all.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Flores. Before I recognize Congressman Paduano, meron lang akong dagdag na tanong kay Mr. Tamisin. Mr. Tamisin, kung ikaw ang in-implicate, ikaw ang kinasuhan, what could have been the motive ano ba yung motibo? Bakit ikaw? Ba't hindi ibang fall guy, quote unquote, no? Bakit ikaw?
Hindi ko rin po alam, Your Honor eh. Kasi wala naman kami personal na away ni Mayor. Never naman kami nag-away. Totoo po, may differences lang po pagdating sa mga implementation ng policies. Pero sabi ko nga po kanina, Your Honor, ako may pinakamaraming batas na inapprove niya.